truth when the river want talk. Rocks don't not get smooth in a time. Every little drop right one proverb in a me mind. Me dip me on ask Father what next. Hear the current answer, now guide your steps. From little youth days me dig stubborn while. Now me follow the stream like a humble child. River from Mount Zion, wash without a fear. When the world feel heavy, me just can't come here. River from Mount Zion, teach me to stand firm. Strong, if you can't change the storm, just row your boat and sing your song. Yeah. Enough man thirsty, but them afraid fi kneel. Them want the blessing, but them hide themselves still. River tell me son, you have to come clean. You can't fake faith that soon get seen. Every bench show me next lesson fi learn. Sometimes you have to lose just to really earn. Me slip, me slide, but me not let go. Cause even muddy water still help garden grow. River from Mount Zion, wash without and fail. When the world feel heavy, me just try come here. River from Mount Zion, teach me say stand firm. Strong, if you can't change the storm, just row your boat and sing your song. Yeah! Flow, river, flow. Carry me away from the ego. One, tell me, ease off the hate, my youth. Real warrior, calm them, no brute. Me say life hard, river laugh, that true. But heart stone shape, sharp tool, seeing iron. So when me feel done, me remember this line. You know weak, you just halfway climb. River from Mount Zion, wash without and fail. When the world feel heavy, me just can't come here. River from Mount Zion, teach me say stand firm. Strong, if you can't change the storm, just row your boat and sing your song. From the hilltop to the ghetto lane, same one river, cool down pain. Mount Zion water, run through we vein. Sealer, this your morning me rise and pray. Sun just a peep but me heart done blaze. All of the worry them fade way slow when me hear one voice from long time ago. Say, youth man, remember where you stand. Earth at school is a test for the mind. Life a little vapor, you're just passing through. But the love where you share that remain in a you. Lion of Judah a call way. Whoa, deep in the soul me can hear the sound. Lion of Judah a call way. Stand firm no bow. Keep your 2 foot on ground when the system a fight and the whole place dark. Got the lion in a heart like the inner spark. Lion of Judah a call way. Rise, pick me rise. So the king man talk, them say cash a the God, but me see through that. Man sell him soul for one little contract, but away profit a man gain the whole globe and lose him own self like him misplace him robe. Granny did one mind your company. Some of them smile but them heart feel greedy. Truth a sharp sword, cut chain, cut rope. Justice a tree, water it with hope. Enough man asleep with them eyes wide open. Mind lock up but the gate wide broken. Lion whisper, sun free up the brain. Study your history, no live in a chain. Lion of Judah a call way. Yeah man, deep in the storm you still hear the chant. Lion of Judah a call way. Heart clean and clean, that a real covenant. When they go and get rough and the night feel long, and the lion in a chest still a beat like drum. Lion of Judah a call way, stand tall, me youth, so the king man numb. Hear me now. No follow everything's where you sight online. No every little light is a real gold mine. Wisdom soft spoken, whisper in your ear, fully load. But it vanish in air. Every setback that a secret class. Every big scar show you did surpass when life lick you down. Remember who you be, you a child of the king. You're no weak, you're free. Lion of Judah a call way. Oh, deep in the bones we can feel the tone. Lion of Judah a call way. Head up, chest out, tread your way back home when the pressure arise and your knees near fall. At the lion in the heart, make the small man bold. Lion of Judah a call way. Rise, pick me rise, story still untold. River I run through I. Yeah man. River I run through I. Early morning pon the bank me trod. Barefoot you a kiss me toes. Jump from the cup, little herbs, little song. Reason with your breeze as it blow. Me ask, why the road so rough? River say youth that a grow. Stone them sharp up the flow. You know still it find one path to the ocean out. Rivers of Zion flow through me heart. Wash away the doubt, build up the courage and spark. From Shashaman straight back to the yard. We say rivers of Zion carry me cross the yard. Rivers of Zion sharp up the friend. Tell me stand firm now, both to change. Each little ripple, a one little prayer. Rivers of Zion guide me from despair. Man I say money man a chase me, still them thirsty, dry like it. He said, check your soul brother, check your lane. If you cut off from the source, who you fi blame? River laugh, see them man love glam, but them afraid fi dive in a them one star. Knowledge cold, but wisdom warm. Take a sip, make the whole mind transform. Every drop have a story, every bend have a fight. Someday broad daylight, someday dark like night. But the same one water pass through joy, pass through slaughter. Still pure when it reach the sea. So me know that same purity there in a me. Yeah, rivers of Zion flow through me heart. Wash away the doubt, build up the courage and spark. From Shashaman straight back to the yard. Me say rivers of Zion carry me cross the heart. Rivers of Zion, John now me vein. Tell me stand firm now, both to change. Each little ripple, a one little prayer. from long time ago. Say, youth man, remember where you stand. Earth at school is a test for the mind. Life a little vapor, you're just passing through, but the love where you share that remain in a you. Lion of Judah, I call we. Deep in the soul, we can hear the soul. Lion of Judah, I call we. Stand firm, no bow. Keep your 2 foot on ground when the system a fight and the whole place dark. Got the lion in a heart like the inner spine. Lion of Judah, I call we rise. Picnic, rise, so the king man come. Them say cash are the God, but me see through that. Man sell him soul for one little contract, but I will profit a man. Gain the whole globe and lose him own self like he misplace him robe. Granny did one, mind your company. Some of them smile but them heart feel greedy. Truth a sharp sword cut, chain cut rope. Justice a tree, water it with hope. Enough man a slit with them eyes wide open. Mine lock up but the gate wide broken. Lion whisper son, free up the brain. Study your history, no live in a chain. Lion of Judah, I call we. Yeah man. Deep in the storm, me still hear the chant. Lion of Judah, I call we. Heart clean, hand clean. That a real covenant. When the guan get rough and the night feel long, and the lion in a chest still a beat like drum. Lion of Judah, I call we. Stand tall, me you, so the king man home. Hear me now, no follow everything's where your sight online. No every little hype is a real gold mine. Wisdom soft spoken, whisper in your ear. Fully loud, but it vanish in air. Every setback, that a secret class. Every big scar show you did surpass. When life lick you down, remember who you be. You a child of the king, you know weak, you're free, free. Lion of Judah, I call we. Deep inna the bones, we can feel the tone. Lion of Judah, I call we. Head up, chest up, tread your way back home when the pressure arise and your knees near fall. At the lion in a heart make the small man bold. Lion of Judah, I call we. Rise, picnic, rise, story still untold. Mount Zion River, ever flowing, ever knowing. Yeah man. From the hilltop, water a chant. Can't stop truth when the river want up. Rocks don't not get smooth in a time. Every little drop right one proverb in my mind. Me dip me and ask Father one day. Hear the current answer. Jah guide your steps. From little youth days me did stubborn while. Now me follow the stream like a humble child. River from Mount Zion, wash away doubt and fear. When the world feel heavy, me just try to come here. River from Mount Zion, teach me to stand firm, strong. If you can't change the storm, just row your boat and sing your song. Yeah, enough man thirsty, but them afraid to kneel. Them want the blessing, but them hide themselves still. River tell me, son, you have to come clean. You can't fake faith that soon get seen. Every bench show me next lesson to learn. Sometimes you have to lose just for really earn. Me slip, me slide, but me not let go. Cause even muddy water still help carry me from Mount Zion. Wash with doubt and fear. When the world feel heavy, me just try to come here. River from Mount Zion, teach me say stand firm, strong. If you can't change the storm, just row your boat and sing your song. Oh, flow, river, flow. Carry me away from the ego. One, tell me ease off the head. My youth, real warrior, come. Them no brute, me say. Life hard, river laugh. That true, but heart stone shape sharp. Tools in a you. So when me feel done, me remember this line. You're no weak, you just halfway climb. River from Mount Zion, wash with doubt and fear. When the world feel heavy, me just try to come here. River from Mount Zion, teach me say stand firm, strong. If you can't change the storm, just row your boat and sing your song. From the hilltop to the hilltop lane, CM1 river, cool down pain. Mount Zion water, run through the vein. Up on the bank, barefoot, cool breeze, belly tank. River talk low, but the wisdom low. Cloud that drift slow, me no love the crowd. Every ripple a one little ancient psalm. Every stone carry store, every scar turn calm. Me ask Jah, why me have to face this trial? River say walk with faith, no style. Rivers of Zion are run through I, deeper than the worry in a mankind eye. From me crown straight down to me soul, it wash with the faith, build back me soul. Rivers of Zion flow, flow, flow. Anywhere me trod, Jah water follow. When the world get dark and dirty and dry, me just dip in at the stream where you run through I, yeah. Them say life cheap, but me say life tall. Like silk cotton tree we survive every squall. Ghetto youth a hustle dream fold up small, but river still sing stand up. No crawl, enough man chase flash, them a drowning show. Me chase truth even if the pace slow. Cause riches are rust, fame bust like tire, but cleaner carry fire burn higher. Rivers of Zion a run through I, deeper than the worry in a mankind eye. From me crown straight down to me soul, it wash away the shame, mend back me soul. Rivers of Zion flow, flow, flow. Anywhere me trod, Jah water follow. When the world get loud and tell me fi try, me just hush feel the stream where you run through. Yeah. River run Zion. When the pain too heavy for reason, hold a meds, brother, check the season. Every dry spell come with a lesson. Every little loss carry hidden blessing. No fret, little sis wipe eye, river teach patience. Tears soon dry where them build wall. Jack off channel, cut through stone, cut through scandal. Hey, hey. Rivers of Zion are run through I, deeper than the worry in a mankind eye. From me crown straight down to me soul, it wash where the dirt, tune up me soul. Rivers of Zion flow, a sip make the whole mind transform. Every drop have a story, every bend have a fight. Someday broad daylight, someday dark like night. But the same one water pass through joy, pass through slaughter. Still pure when it reach the sea. So me know that same purity there in a me. Yeah, rivers of Zion flow through me heart. Wash where the doubt, build up the courage and spark. From Shashaman straight back to the yard. Me say rivers of Zion carry me cross the heart. Rivers of Zion, John na me vein. Tell me stand firm now, bow to chain. Each little ripple, a one little prayer. Rivers of Zion guide me from despair. On the bank, barefoot, cool breeze, belly tank. River talk low, but the wisdom low. Cloud that drift slow, me no love the crowd. Every ripple a one little ancient song. Every stone carry story, every scar turn calm. Me ask Jah, why me have to face this trial? River said, walk with faith, no style. Rivers of Zion I run through I, deeper than the worry in a mankind. Me soul, let it wash with the fear. Build back me soul. Rivers of Zion flow, flow, flow. Anywhere me try, Jah water follow. When the world get dark and dirty and dry, me just dip in the stream where I run through I. Yeah. Them say life cheap, but me say life tall. Like silk cotton tree, we survive every squall. Get the youth a hustle dream, fold up small. But river still sing, stand up, no crown. Enough man chase flash, them a drown in show. Me chase truth even if the pace slow. Car riches a rust, fame bust like tire. But clean heart carry fire, burn higher. Rivers of Zion I run through I, deeper than the worry. From me crown straight down to me soul, let it wash with the shame. Bend back me soul.